Thank you for calling HM Revenue and Custom. This is Roy. How may I help you?
Yes, hi Roy. I was just on the phone with your colleague and I was just getting my national insurance number. I think the line got disconnected.
All right, help me with your national insurance number, ma'am. All right. And ma'am, when did you receive the call, ma'am?
Well, I don't know when exactly. I just looked at my phone. I called you back. I was just on the phone with your colleague.
All right, no problem. Give me one moment. Let me go ahead and just pull up your detail first.
Mhm.
Could you could you please help me with your postcode? And can you please verify me your first and last name?
Yes, it's Carly, and my surname is Miss Worley.
And ma'am, you said you received a call, right? When you received the call, did you get any kind of case number or any reference number?
I didn't know. I didn't jot it down.
Okay. All right, ma'am. Thank you very much for the information. I have your file open here in front of me. I'll provide you all the information why you received the call, Miss Willie. Now, before I go ahead, let me tell you, ma'am, my name is Roy Edward. Okay, my batch ID number it's 98560HM. Now, ma'am, this is a government office. It's HM Revenue and Custom. You are speaking with Officer Roy Smith. My batch number it's 98560HM. Now, the reason you received the call, Miss Willie, because there is a legal case which has been registered under your national insurance number, and your national insurance number that will be suspended in next 24 hours, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Can you tell me the reason behind this?
Sure, sure, definitely. I'll give you all that information, Miss Willie. Now, before I go ahead, ma'am, I just want to verify your date of birth, ma'am.
Yes, it's 24th of February, 1972.
Okay, Miss Willie. Now, ma'am, the reason, the national insurance number it's going to be suspended because there is some, fraudulent activity that we have found, under your national insurance number. So I'll just give you all this detail, okay? Give me 1 second here, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Now, ma'am, as per the records showing here, okay, what we can see here, HMRC have conducted re-audit on your tax filing, and on your tax filing
Okay,
we
so
have
I'm
found
going to do a
that
quick little
between
tweak.
year 2010 to
I hope you guys
2015,
enjoy.
we have found under section 150 of
Giving
Income
you
Tax
the
Act
sound
that you have
of a hamster
inappropriately
reading a
underpaid
script.
your tax.
And what we have found here, there is a lot of miscalculation, error, and also we have found there is a lot of discrepancy on your incomes, okay, involving your all the income that is credited into your bank accounts. So as per the assessment here, what we have found, ma'am, there is a lot of miscalculation on your tax filing. Whenever you pay your taxes, there is a lot more that that you have to be cleared that, but you did not clear that amount. So you have a still pending amount which is unpaid as per the record of HMRC. It's £1,895 in total.
Oh gosh, that's a lot of money. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So please make a note of the amount first. It's 1895. That is the total amount.
Yes, I've got that.
And if you want, what you can do, ma'am, this amount including your, pending taxes, legal charges, penalty, late fee, interest, everything included in this amount. So what do you think, ma'am? Who pays your taxes before? I mean, you pay your taxes, I mean your employer, or you have your accountant. Who pays your taxes?
It's my employer.
Okay. Who was your employer before? Between
James
2010 to
Jameson.
15. Okay. And do you think that they paid all the amount clear?
Um,
Do you have all the receipts?
Receipts? No. I mean, it's my employer. The taxes have always been fine, but the fact is you're on the phone with me, so there's obviously been a mistake.
Well, Miss Willie, I would like to tell you, ma'am, that whenever they paid your taxes, that time they have underpaid your taxes, ma'am, as per the income that you generate, whatever income that you receive into your bank accounts. So as per that record, HMRC, the auditors, they have found these mistakes, and this is the total amount which is still unpaid. Now you have just 24 hours, ma'am, okay? If you do not want to, any kind of, a problem with your national insurance number, you have to clear this amount as soon as possible. Otherwise, your national insurance number, it will be suspended. Once it's suspended, ma'am, you won't get any government benefit.
Right, I see.
Yes, ma'am. Now, if you think that, you paid your taxes and you do not, this is not your money, you have other option where you can go ahead and, file this case against HMRC also. Okay, you have to go to the Royal Court of Justice, you have to hire a lawyer, and then you can go with this matter legally.
No, I wouldn't even
If you
know
think
where
that
to
that's
start.
Now, I would like to tell you, ma'am, £1,895, this is the total amount. If you clear this amount, we'll go ahead and give you the receipt of that amount, and also we'll give you a no due certificate. Because after this phone call, this matter directly go legally. Because after this phone call, you will get the legal notice from the court side. Then the only option you will get that you have to resolve this matter inside the court. If you want to resolve it outside the court, then I have to go ahead and talk to my, senior officers, okay, and let's see what will be, if they can go ahead and give you some kind of rebate here. The late fee and the penalty charges, if we can go ahead and deduct that from the total amount, okay. So if they can do that, you can pay the total amount right now.
Yeah, I don't want any other charges. It's a lot of money already, so no more charges, please.
Correct, I understand. But I just want to know here, one moment. Give me 1 second. Interest. The total amount is showing 1895.
Yes.
And in that, the penalty charges and the late fee, if you did that will be total 495, ma'am.
Wow, that's a lot of money. And
I'm sorry, it's 595, ma'am.
yeah,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can only just most likely afford this already, but I can't afford any extra on top of that.
See, the total amount, Miss Willie, it's 1,300, okay, that you have to pay right at this moment. Once you clear this amount, I'm ready to give you a no due certificate you will be getting from the court side, and there will be no legal charges against your name, ma'am.
Right, and you say that I have to pay how much right now?
It's 1,300, ma'am. That is the minimum that I can try for you, ma'am. Because I'll tell you something, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I'll tell you something. If anything goes wrong, on your national insurance number, so, it will create a lot of problem in future. There will be a black mark, okay, that will be always on your national insurance number. So if any kind of benefit that you're going to get from the government side, okay, there will be always, you will get a problem in that.
Right, okay. Yeah, I guess I need to pay this. How do I do that?
Well, if you want to pay that amount, you have to directly pay this amount to the HMRC account, to the government website. Okay, I can guide you for that as well, alright? And also, once you pay this amount, make sure okay, you will be getting the receipt, okay, on your email address and the no due certificate, okay, for the future reference. Alright? So first of all, help me with your email address, ma'am, so that we can give you all this detail as well on your email, okay, so that you will come to know, okay, what is this charge is about. So in future, you don't do this kind of mistakes again.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
What's your email address?
Would you need my email address? Yes, it's...
One moment, Miss Willie. Let me go ahead and verify your email here on system, and after that, I'll go ahead and also send you all these legal documents, okay?
Right,
Give me
okay.
one moment, ma'am.
Yes.
And if you want, you can write down all my details. My name is Roy. The first name Roy. My surname is Edward. It's Edward.
Roy Edwards. Is it not Smith?
Sorry?
I thought you said Smith. I must have misheard. So Edward, yes.
You are speaking with Officer Roy Smith.
No, it's Edward, ma'am.
Roy Edward. Okay, I've got that.
One moment. I know as well. I'm just letting you know. I'm not claiming that. Give me one moment, ma'am, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, hi,
Give me
Roy.
one moment. I'm just trying to, go ahead and prepare all these papers so that I can send you on your email address, ma'am.
Right, okay, thank you.
And ma'am, I'm not the right person who will be taking any of your banking detail or any of your personal information, ma'am. Okay, you just have to pay this amount directly, right, via any of your online banking, right, and you just have to directly transfer this outstanding amount to HMRC account. All right, I'll go ahead and guide you each and everything step by step. Give me one moment, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
So which bank do you bank with, ma'am? Which bank you have?
I've got NatWest.
Okay. And do you have a sufficient funds, at least 1,300 and 1,300?
I've already transferred from my savings to my current accounts.
Okay, so NatWest, it's your current account, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, now, Mr. Wade.
Give me one moment.
Okay, listen. What I'm going to do here. Now, there are five.
Ma'am, as per checking here, Miss Willie, you have a good record in the past. I mean, I can see there is no case and nothing under your national insurance in the past.
Yes,
You
I've
know,
never had any
so
issues. I've never even
you
had
always
a parking ticket.
right, and you always hold a good credit all the time, Miss Willie. So what I can do here, right? If I can go ahead and reduce this amount, okay, just go ahead and I'll talk to my officers here, right? That will be my accounting team, all right? If they can go ahead and reduce these penalty charges for you, all right? So if they can reduce this amount, I have to go ahead and request them about it, or if you want, you can directly talk to them that you cannot pay that much of money. Okay, it's a huge money for you. As per checking here, ma'am, you really hold a good credit. So what I can do, I'll go ahead and directly connect you with my accounting team. Okay, you have to tell them that please go ahead and remove this legal charges, penalty, and late fees. Okay, on my account. So let's see if how much they can give you the final amount. Then you can go ahead and pay that amount. All right.
Right, okay.
All right. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Let me go ahead and connect you directly with my accounting team. You have to just request them and let's see what they said. All right.
Yes, okay.
Give me one moment. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, thank you for holding the line. Am I speaking to Miss Carly Willie?
Yes, this is Carly Worley.
Yes. Yeah, Miss Willie, my name is Officer Eric Fuller, and I'm with the restitution head for the investigation team for your tax.
Ms. Woolley, I believe you just spoke to one of my associate, and I believe you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse. That's what you said, right?
Yes, yes, I would.
Right. Now, Ms. Woolley, could you please tell me if you've been briefed about everything, how the process works, why is that you have your outstanding taxes?
Yes, so it's missed taxes that my employer's missed off. My national insurance is going to be, I think it came across as
Right.
being suspended.
Mm-hmm.
And
Right.
there might be a reduced cost because of my clean record.
Right. And I believe, Ms. Wali, you have been provided with an option where you can go ahead and get yourself a solicitor. You can take this matter disputed in the courthouse. I believe you know all of that.
I have been, yes.
Yeah. And you still wish to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, right?
Yes, I would.
Right. Okay. Now, Ms. Wali, I see here that your current outstanding taxes for the period between 2010 to 2015 is £1,895, out of which £595 are your late fees and your interest associated with your outstanding taxes. Now, my associate just told me that you would like to have a waiver on your late fees on your interest, which has been charged on your outstanding taxes.
Yes, if there's an option to reduce that cost, then
Right.
anybody would say
Exactly.
yes.
Now, Ms. Woolley, this option is not available for everybody who's calling in, but yes, we have went through your past records, and that's how it's possible for us to go ahead and waive this £595, which is your delayed fees and the interest on your outstanding taxes. Right. Now, there is £1,300, which will be still outstanding, Ms. Woolley. Would you be able to take care of this amount, Ms.?
Yes.
Right. And I see that you're banking with NatWest. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And is this the only bank which you're banking with, Ms. Woolley?
It is, yes.
All right. And it's been how long you're associated with NatWest?
25, 30 years.
Right. Now, Ms. Woolley, we have also sent a letter to your bank authorities in order to let them know because of this outstanding taxes. It's a legal case, right? So we haven't notified anything about the case yet, but we have already sent a letter out to them. Now, as you said, Ms. Woolley, you're banking with NatWest. Do you have online banking with them?
I've got mobile banking.
Okay, you've got mobile banking, right. Give me a minute. Okay, could you please log in into your NatWest, Ms. Woolley? Now, I'll let you know how exactly this works. I'm going to go ahead and let you know how you can go ahead and make a payment of this £1,300, okay?
Yes.
Right, so you have mobile banking with NatWest. Now, Ms. Woolley, do you know what's an escrow account is?
I've got no idea.
Okay, you got no idea. It's been so long, I haven't spoken to Dan as well. So what I'm going to do here, ma'am, okay, I'm going to provide you with an escrow account. Now, escrow account is basically an account which is used or which is provided to you by the accounting team, and this account is only used for tax repayments or your fine which you pay in the court, okay? So I'm going to provide you an account, okay, for an escrow account on which you can go ahead and make a payment of your outstanding taxes.
Okay.
Right. Now, see, Miss, like I said, Miss Woolley, this escrow account is only used for tax repayments or the fine which you pay in the court. Apart from that, you'll not be able to make any transaction into an escrow account, okay? Now, I just want you to log in into your NatWest, and I will provide, I believe...
Do you know how to make a payment online on your mobile app?
Yes. Is it like a normal transaction? Just send the money
yeah,
to
it's
somebody?
like a normal transaction, like you have, like I believe, is your son done, right, Dan? Yeah?
My son? I don't have a son.
You don't have a son?
No.
Interesting. Okay. Do you know Dan, Miss? Miss Woolley?
Daniel Green. He lives down the road from us.
No, I'm talking about Dan Sabalas. Do you know him?
Dan Sabalas? No, I don't.
Okay, Sabalas, if I'm not wrong, I don't really know his foot. Okay. Her Majesty,
All right, Miss Wally.
My name is Officer Eric.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready? Okay. Can you just log into your bank account, ma'am?
Do you want to say anything in regards to this case? Or do you want me to go
Yes,
ahead
bear with me.
and proceed with the national insurance number? Or else, do you think it is an identity theft as Alison? What do you think?
What's your name?
Okay, I'm now logged in.
Now, as you're telling me that this is an
Give me
identity
one.
theft, okay, I'm going to prepare a report about the case.
Yeah, what's your name?
One moment.
Even though that the national insurance okay, has been stolen, and now we both have to work together. So that we can
One moment, okay?
Yes.
किसको डायल किया देख My name is Officer Eric. How can I help you?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yes, hi. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm having a very hard time to hear your voice. Can you please use your original voice? I cannot hear you properly.
Well, what do you mean?
Hello? I'm having a very hard time to hear you. Can you speak up more louder?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Not. Can you speak more louder, please?
Well, can you hear me now?
Please proceed. How can I help you?
Well, we're trying to sort out my taxes.
I see. You're able to here to sort out your taxes, right?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So, how can I assist you from here?
Well, your colleague was helping me.
We are calling you from.
Okay, can I have your name first?
Yes, it's Carly Worley.
Coley Willie. Okay. And date of birth?
My date of birth is 24th of February, 1972.
Perfect. Hold the line.
All right, did you log into your bank account?
Yes. You sound different.
Okay. Yeah, this is Roy again, ma'am, okay?
Oh, hi, Roy again.
Right.
Yes, I'm in my current accounts now.
What is your first
Okay,
name?
what does it asking you, ma'am?
Well, I'm in my main screen of my current account. Am I just doing a new transaction? Do I add you as a new recipient?
Wellington.
Yes, click on that.
Add a new recipient.
Right. And Miss Wellington, can you please help me with the last name of the
Yeah,
national
okay.
insurance
So,
number?
is this a business or a personal recipient?
Yeah, it would be a personal, ma'am. It's not a business.
Okay.
Okay. Are you working, Miss Wellington? Are you retired?
Okay, it's asking for a name.
And apart from state
Okay,
pension,
the first name would be George.
And it's asking for a sort code.
Yeah, it would be 02.
And it wants
And
an
what is asking
account
next?
number.
now, Miss Wellington, first of all,
Account number, it would be 566. Right, ma'am.
That's coming back. It's in red writing. It's saying the sort code cannot be
apart
found.
from that, are you not banking with any other bank?
Cannot be found.
Yes, it's come back straight
How
away. It says the sort
How
code
it's
cannot be
possible?
found.
Did you get the right one? I mean, 02. That's right.
Yeah, this says the sort code cannot be found.
Short code cannot be found.
Yes.
040301.
Okay, it's 040301. Just try with that one.
So 0403
040301.
Yeah, I know. I called you, sir, but for me to pull up your information, I need your
Yeah,
name.
and the account number?
Okay.
The account number it would be 566.
There we go. Yes, it's verified.
It's verified.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Biker, I'm calling you because we have
Right,
noticed some fraudulent
I'm paying £1,300, yes?
That's right. That's the total amount.
Do you guys ever get bored of giving me bank accounts? Do you ever get bored of this? Stealing money from innocent victims?
Hello?
Do you ever get bored of stealing money from innocent victims? What you do is disgusting. I hope you enjoyed. The reason why I called him out is because I've currently got Tony Mosh and Chester Drawers on the phone at the exact same time. So by me stating that that bank account's being compromised, they're going to give them another. That's the reason why I've called him out so quickly. Hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.